22-year-old pregnant woman succumbed to injuries in Manchester car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police have identified a pregnant woman who succumbed to injuries in a motor vehicle crash along the Winston Jones Highway near Mandeville on Sunday night. She has been identified as Torian Elliott, a resident of Reaches in Clarendon. A report from the Constabulary Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force confirmed that at around 7:45 p.m., 3 people were traveling uphill towards Mandeville in a Toyota Crown motor car when it was hit by another vehicle. The impact resulted in the Toyota Crown motor car going over the guardrail. The police have stated that the driver of the other vehicle did not stop at the scene. Firefighters had to be called to extricate Elliott from the mangled wreckage. She, along with 2 other persons, were rushed to hospital where she succumbed to her injuries while undergoing treatment.
No man, in a Hey, what I wrote their name, son? What I wrote their name?
Winston Jones Highway.
Winston Jones. Winston Jones Highway. Yeah man, yeah. No police, we not see no police vehicle or nothing. Hey, anybody dead? Anybody dead?
We don't know, master. Just pray that nobody not dead.
Yeah, bro. Hell of an accident, man. 3 vehicles, 4 vehicles, 5 vehicles, 4 litre vehicles. No police not there. I may call, yeah man, send some police out. Yeah man, Winston Jones Highway. Area 3. Holy. The number no reach ya. Not that soul reach ya yet, and the whole. Yeah man.
Sorry, bro. Sorry. Yeah.
The men are said to be in stable condition. As news spread of the tragic passing of Miss Elliott, a number of her family and friends have took to social media to express shock about the tragic news. Miss Elliott was said to be a past member of the Spalding Police Youth Club in Clarendon. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.